Hello everyone, my name is Asghar. In this video we will discuss about writing methods of a set. Okay, we know well that there are three writing methods of a set. One is tabular and second one is descriptive and third one is set builder notation. In descriptive we describe the set in words, and in tabular we write the set in curly bracket and separated by the commas, and third one is set builder notation. In set builder notation we donate the set by using mathematical symbols. Okay, so let's learn about these methods. Okay, we know well there are three methods. Descriptive means described in words, descriptive method, and second one is tabular method, and third is set builder notation. Okay, before learning or interchanging these three methods, we have to discuss about the symbols which will be used in these problems. Okay, symbols will be used in these problems. Okay, if we write this slash, we will read x such that, we will read it such that, and when we write this symbol we read it is member of. Okay, and for example, if 5 is member of set of set of natural number, we write it 5 is member of set of natural number. And if element is not member of a set, we write epsilon slash is not member of. 0 is not member of set of natural number. Okay, and other symbol is less than. This symbol is less than, e.g. for example, when we write 5 is less than 7. Okay, and if this is, that's greater than. Okay, for example, we write 8 is greater than 7. 8 is greater than 7, and when we write this less than symbol, and here it is less than or equal to, less than or equal to. Okay, and if we write here, it will be greater than or equal to. And there are other symbols which will be used in set, but we will learn on the respective topic. For example, when we learn about empty set, we will discuss the sign of the empty set. When we learn about equivalent sets, we will write its symbol in that topic. Okay, now let's learn to interchange these methods. Okay, set is written now in descriptive form. We have to write in tabular and set builder notation. For example, set of natural numbers between 4 and 12. Now it's in descriptive form. In tabular we write, suppose we are giving it a symbol A, set A between 4 and 12. Between 4 and 12 means greater than 4 and less than natural number. We know well these are all are natural numbers. And in set builder notation we write set of x. Here we write x, y, or any symbol we may write. Set of x such that x belongs to set of natural number, and between 4 and 12 means x should be greater than 4 and less than 12. X is less than 12 but x is greater than 4. When we write between, we write these symbols. Okay, now it's in set builder notation. Example 2, set of first 6 prime numbers. In set builder notation, tabular notation, it is builders, it is a descriptive form. In tabular we write, suppose we are writing B for it. Set of first 6 prime numbers, 2, 3, 5 prime numbers which are divisible by themselves and 1. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are prime number. And if we write in set builder notation, we write B is equal to set of y such that y belongs to prime number and it is start from 2 to x is equal to 2 or greater than 2 and x is equal to 2 or less than 2, equal or less than 13. Okay, example number 3, if we write in tabular, example 3 says set of positive integers less than 20, positive integers which are less than 20. Okay, so what are those positive integers which are less than 20 and divisible by 5 and divisible, another condition, and divisible by 5, 5, 10, 15. These are integers which are less than 20 and divisible by 5. And set builder notation, see, suppose we are writing z for it, z, or we can write any symbol, x, set of x belongs to integer, positive integers, and x or comma we write, or we write x is less than 20 and divisible by, there are divisible by 5. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Keep on watching my videos. I will upload more videos about set and other topics of mathematics. Thank you very much.